Niluto na namin yung tuyo. Na binili sa store. Filipino store. Ano kung gusto dyan yung longganisa natin. Sarap. Ay, ang sarap. Grabe. Tapos may sukang kurat. Ay, pinakurat. Sinamak ba? Hindi pinakurat ata yung dati. Sarap! Piling ko nasa Pilipinas lang tayo. Sarap mo? Ito yung mga malapit doon, no? Hello! Wow, may bahay-bahayan ka! Are you happy? With your bahay-bahayan? Dito na yung delivery. Hindi na lang, okay na.
Anong problema? May isa po.
Nagpapaas.
Okay na?
There's a rainbow!
Check the camera.
Oh, there's a rainbow, Kuya! Kuya is so happy! Wow! There's a rainbow!
Yes, everyone got to see this rainbow.
Yeah!
Look there.
What's that?
Look.
Oh, the lava.
That's the waves.
Oh!
He's sad. He's going to be taller again.
I don't know.
I think it's another volcano.
Oh, really?
Now she was so ready to meet him, but the sea is inside.
I have a dream. I hope it'll come true. And you're here with me. And I'm here with you. I wish Kabi escape the sky up above.
With someone to love.
Oh!
How many is this? Wow, good job! How many is this?
2.
Wow, good job! 3 plus 3?
6.
Wow! Good job! 3 plus 4? How many?
7.
7! Good job! true. You're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth in the sky up above would send me some. Oh, there's a heart here.
Lang muna yung wait.
Wow, ang
I
sarap!
wanna see.
Thank you! Yes. Wow, enjoying the donut. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
I'm going to do Jollibee.
Yeah, we're going to Jollibee. Wait lang. Wait for Daddy and Mommy. Na si Daddy. Uy. Lamig pa ng hangin. Kaya ko kaya to. Ang nipis lang ng ano ko. Kuya. Ulan niya.
Yay, let's go see Peter.
Wow. Maybe here, maybe.
What? No.
There you go. Let's wait for that.
Tapos sa likod.
Mas na tayo. Where?
And the plants.
In the plants.
Yes, I want to go inside.
You cannot go inside.
Why?
The plant is so tiny for you.
Oh, right. We need the bigger.
Mm-hmm.
I said another bug.
Go, follow Daddy. Be careful, ah.
This service terminates here.
Careful. Dito na kami. Ay, super cool. Wait. Let's put your jacket on. Lamig. Good luck sa akin. Wala akong ano.
Do you want to open the stove?
Ah, sige. Hindi kita sasabihan kung saan yung ano, palagi mo nakakalimutan. Kaliwa kanan. Galing ah.
Sorry, I want to go ride in the Ferris wheel.
Later, after natin kumain. Okay? Ha?
Go in the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. After we eat, okay? Alright. Ito na kami sa Jollibee. Tayo. Hanap muna tayo ng ano, table sa taas. Kanya kami here. Diyan na lang. Ay, may katabi tayo eh. Puna. Jollibee.
Mom.
Bye. What are you doing, Tanya? You're coloring? Wow. What's that?
A coloring burger.
Oh, it's a burger? Yes. It's playing games. Kuya.
Mommy, ta-da!
Wow, it's a burger. Daddy.
Daddy.
Yay! Sarap! Kakamis!
I want a
Walang focus.
burger.
Itis ko na lang.
Daddy, I want a burger.
Amen. Good job. We're done. Busog ka, Daddy?
Ha?
Busog ka? Tanya, busog ka? Maghahanap kami ni Tanya ng robot dog.
I want
Pure gold.
Panalo. Palengke tayo.
Ang social. Umabot sa London ng pure gold. Ay, ang gusto.
Yeah, we're going to look for some shoes.
dog robot.
Ah, dog robot nga. Maghanap nga tayong dog robot. Pero nga, magtitigin muna tayo dito saglit, okay? Okay ba yun? Why? Ano yan? Ano ba yan? Akala ko gusto mong sapatos. Yung pala may TV.
Look at that. It's blue. It's you, mommy.
It's me. I'm a dog. Okay, try nyo ni Tanya. Ferris wheel. You want to ride Ferris wheel, kuya? Ba't ayaw mo sumakay? Dito ka na lang kay mami? Dito na lang ikaw kay mami? Sige. Si kuya, ayaw sumakay. Sayang naman. Ayaw niya talaga. Baby! Tanya! Tanya! Oh, girl! Are you happy? It's fun! Yay! Mark and Spencer tayo. Look for Kuya and Tanya's toys. You found it? Where? Okay.
Wow. I want this.
Muna. Wow. Ang cute! Capybara! Ang cute! May shoes nga siya. Ayun o. May shoes siya, star. Ang cute. Are you sure with that? Okay. You sure?
Do you want this one?
Uwi na kami. Pagod na. Ano kayo makiagaw? Daddy, wait lang. Oh, diba? Oh, pasok. Pagod na. Uwi na kami. Pagod na ang kids. Tanya, you tired? Oh, come on, let's go. Yes. Okay, let's go. Uwi na kami nila Tanya. Pagod na sila Tanya. Pero masaya toy si Tanya. Tsaka si Kuya. Sit down na kayo dyan. Let's wait for the bus. Okay?
10 minutes.
Nakasimangot na. Pagod na.
Go na in the bus. Yan. Mami. Pagod na? Pagod na. Pero ang ganda ng view, oh. Pagod pero maganda ang view.